again in my YouTube channel, Short and Pop Pixie Haircut. How are you, my dear subscriber and viewers? I hope you're all well and fine. In this video, I will talk about the short bob pixie haircut and its maintenance. A lot of comments in my comment box to talk about the maintenance of short bob pixie haircut and how to style and short bob pixie haircut. Short bob pixie haircut is a timeless and versatile style that exudates confidence and sophistication, perfectly framing the face with choppy layers and the subtle texture. It's not a haircut, it's attitude and a vibe with a V shape. So let's talk about the maintenance of short bob pixie haircut. Maintaining a short bob pixie haircut requires the regular trims and styling to keep the look fresh and polished. To start, the schedule trims every 4 to 6 weeks to prevent the split ends and maintain the shape of the cut. Use a sulfate free shampoo and conditioner suitable for your hair types, and consider a hydrating mask once a week to make your hair healthy and moisturized. When styling, use a round brush and blow dryers to add a volume and the smoothness, or rough dryer for a more textured look. Apply a styling product like pomade or wax to add hold and definition, and finish with a light hold hairspray to set the style in place. Be gentle when combining or brushing, as short hair can be prone to the tangling. Avoid using the heavy products that can weight the hair down and instead opt for the lightweight water-based formulas. With regular maintenance of the short bob pixie haircut is the styling your short bob pixie haircut will continue to look great and require the minimal efforts to maintain its chic, stylish appearance. Additionally, consider getting regular color touch-ups to keep your hair looking vibrant and healthy. And don't be afraid to experiment with different styling products and techniques to find what works best for you. First of all, talk about the styling. Use a round brush and the round dry for a more textured PC look. Apply a styling product like pomade or wax to add the hold and definitions. Finish with the light hold spray to set the style in place, and use the lightweight products, water-based product, to avoid weighting the hair down. Avoid heavy styling creams or oils that can make the hair look greasy. Consider using a texturing spray or dry shampoo to add a volume and texture. Consider a hydrating mask. Use a week to keep your healthy hairs and moisturizing. Be gentle when combining or brushing, as the short hairs can be the prone to the tangling. Let's talk about the color maintenance. Consider getting regular color touch-ups to keep your hair looking the vibrant and healthy. Use a color protecting shampoo and conditioner to maintain colors and moisture. First of all, I talk it in other paragraph like that, to use the what type of shampoo to make your hair so soft and very pretty. Use a sulfate free shampoo and conditioner. And other types of additional tips to maintain your and style your the short bob pixie haircut is to avoid using the hair styling tools too frequently, as they can damage their hair. Use a heat protectant spray or serum when use the heat styling tools. Consider the getting a hair serum or oil to add a shine and protect the hair from damage. All types of tips. Short bob pixie hairstyles looking is best and maintain its chic styling appearance. In this video, I will talk all the new and the stylish and protect your short bob pixie haircut. If you like my video, please like, share and comment in my YouTube channel. Short bob pixie haircut are very awesome and pretty in your look, enhance your face features, and very pretty haircut and stylish new type of haircut 2024. Now please let's talk about the short bob pixie haircut, all the types of